amazing, guys. Look at this thing, and makes it that much cooler and functional too. So you can see all this. This is what he was talking about, and it's just a work of art, guys. This thing is mean, guys. Ooh. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be a little different. As you can see already, I am on the road. I'm not starting this video from my house. The reason why is because, well, you probably saw the thumbnail. We're gonna go to my friend's house and we're gonna go look at this car he just purchased not too long ago. He asked me to go look at it and see what I think about the car. I know I saw a couple pictures. He sent me a couple pictures, and the car looks amazing. It's one of a kind for sure. He also mentioned something about the sound system on this thing. Not sure exactly what I'm gonna go look at, but he said I will be impressed and I will love the sound system. He also has an issue with the radio or something like that, so I'm gonna go check it out. And as you know, this channel, my channel, is about upgrades, sound systems. So I said definitely I'm gonna head over there and I will check it out. So I'm on the freeway now. I'm on Big Red. As you can see, I'm on the freeway. It's about 45 minutes from my house. Once I get there, I will show you the car and I will do a quick walkthrough so we can see it together. And if it's pictures make no justice, according to my friend, we'll see about that. And all I can tell you is a 1997 or 96, 98, something like that, Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, and it's a WS6. It has a lot of goodies. He scored big time. That's why I'm excited to see this this car. So come with me, and once I get there, I'll show you this this car. See what it's all about. All right, so let's go. All right, guys, we made it to my friend's house. It was a little bit of a drive, but it is worth it. This car is amazing, guys. Pictures make no justice. I'm gonna turn the camera around and I will show you the car for the first time. I haven't seen it closely. We're gonna look at it together and you tell me what you think. And it is amazing, guys. Look at this thing. It's in pristine condition. As you can see, this right here, it's got like a ghost, what is it, like the bird here. You can barely see it from the side, and it looks really, really, really clean, guys. Look at this. Like I said, it's a 1997 WS6. It's got the T56 transmission. It's a manual transmission, and the paint job is amazing. Everything is original on this car. I'm gonna show you under the hood right now, but it is super cool, guys. Look at this. Looks like a brand new off the dealership vehicle here. Like I said, it's a WS6 performance package here. This is like a time capsule. If you see it from the sides, from the front, everywhere you see it, it's stock T-tops and everything. I'm gonna show you inside really quick. I'm gonna open up the other side, the other door, so you can see how clean it looks from this other side too. It's a little dark. Hopefully you can see all this, but this is a mint condition, guys. Look at this. Looks like it hasn't been, has sat here on the back side, on the back seats. T-tops. You can't find them like this anymore, guys. Original wheels. paint job looks like glass, guys. I'm really digging it for sure. This other side, it's amazing. He got a good deal on this car. Look at the seats, like brand new. You want to see the miles on this thing? Let me see if I can. You can't see it. I'm gonna ask him for the keys so we can take a look at the miles on this thing. Now let's take a peek under the hood. Check this out. Everything is original in here, and as you can see, it's got a nice sound system. I'm gonna show you that right now in a minute, but just wanted to show you how clean and original OEM look it's in here. And this ram air is functional. As you can see, this right here sucks air from the top from here and makes it that much cooler and functional too. Nice. I am so excited about this, man. You just can't find these cars like this anymore. It's a 97, and I believe it has around 40-something thousand miles. I'm gonna get the keys from him right now. I'm gonna start it up and I will show you. Nice. Okay, let's close this. Let's shut the hood. This is so cool. I wanted to show you guys this. I wanted to share this with you guys. And he also has a couple more goodies in here. I'm gonna get to that in a minute. Let's finish showing you. I'm gonna finish showing you the car here. I'm gonna show you the back end under the trunk here, or the trunk lid. I'm gonna show you the sound system on this thing. Everything looks original. As you can see, the doors are left original. He already removed the radio that came with it because he didn't like that. I'm gonna show you that later. But this is a stick shift T56. As you can see down there, this is a custom sound system, guys. Look at this. It's got like a speaker pods down there. I'm not sure exactly how much sound system it has installed here, but we're gonna figure that out. Same thing on this other side. We have the speaker pods down there. I'm not sure if you can see that because it's a little dark, but we're gonna figure that out in a minute. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk here so we can see what's behind this. All right, let's take a look at the rear end of the car so you can see all this. This is what he was talking about, and it's just a work of art, guys. If you guys know what I'm talking about, all this work is from the 90s, and everything is done flawlessly. As far as I know, all this is custom right here. All of this is custom, even those speaker boxes there, which we're gonna get into it in the next video. For now, I just want to show you how cool this car is. These are old school. Everything is old school, like period correct audio equipment. If you guys see something that I'm missing here, please let me know in the comment section below. Have you guys ever seen this? Butler Audio Inc. In the next video, we're gonna get deep into all this because we're gonna work on the new radio here. He wants to replace the head unit, and that's all we're gonna do. Everything else is gonna stay in place. We're just gonna troubleshoot everything and bring everything to 2025 from the 90s. If you guys are interested on any of this equipment, if you guys want to know what any of this equipment does or the specs, just let me know. Cool, he's gonna start it up now. Look, so you guys can see how bad this thing is. Oh yeah, this thing is mean, guys. Woo. Ow, that is bad. So badass, guys. Don't forget, it's a WS6 package, not just any kind of car. Now we can see the miles, how many miles the car has. It has 49,000, not sure if you can see it, but it's got 49,125, 49,000 mile vehicle. Oh boy, this thing is pretty sassy, that's for sure. Cool. All right, so we're done with this. I'm gonna show you what else he's got in the in his garage. He's got a couple more goodies here. He's got a couple more toys in his garage. This guy is crazy. He likes the speed. This is both of them are GTs, Mustang GTs. This one here is the one he takes out for quick runs. This is his baby. He's had it for many years. I believe since high school. Yeah, so this is his garage. That's where the Firebird goes. Of course, he's got his own space on the other side. Cool. All right. I hope you guys liked what you saw. If you guys have any questions about the Firebird, anything you saw in this video, please let me know. I will answer anything. If I have the answers to anything you guys want to know about it, just post them and keep them, put them in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you. As far as the sound system, I'm gonna dedicate another video for the sound system. We're gonna see what really goes on with 90s sound system, and as you guys saw, it's amazing. All right, cool. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out and stay tuned.